How you can make reading a more enjoyable habit. What if reading could become your favorite escape, something you look forward to? In this video, I'll share the little-known techniques that can turn every page into an irresistible adventure. 1. Designate a reading space. Create your own cozy reading nook. Whether it's a cushy chair, a corner with pillows, or even a hammock, a special spot dedicated to reading helps your brain switch to relax and enjoy mode every time you sit down with a book. 2. Minimize distractions. Keep distractions at bay by finding a quiet spot, popping on noise-canceling headphones, or playing gentle instrumental tunes or white noise. Let your focus flow. 3. Set small, achievable goals. Take it easy and start small. Set bite-sized goals like reading one page or just 5 minutes each day. This makes it easy to build momentum, turning reading into a habit without feeling like a chore. 4. Schedule reading time. Make reading a daily ritual by choosing a set time, like before bed or during lunch. When you make it part of your routine, it becomes something you can look forward to each day. 5. Choose books that interest you. Pick books that genuinely excite you. If a book doesn't grab you, don't be afraid to try another. Loving what you're reading is key to building a habit that sticks. 6. Explore different formats. Mix things up. Try audiobooks or ebooks. They're perfect for fitting reading into a busy schedule. You can listen while you commute, work out, or even cook. 7. Share your reading journey. Let others in on the adventure. Share what you're reading with friends or post about it online. You'll feel more connected to your reading and might inspire others to join in. 8. Keep books accessible. Always have a book handy, by your bed, in your bag, or on your desk. That way, you're ready to sneak in some reading whenever you find a spare moment. 9. Track your progress. Use a reading tracker or journal to log your reads. Watching your list grow is incredibly satisfying and a great way to stay motivated. Okay, friends, with these fun strategies, you can make reading a habit that feels like a treat, not a task, while enriching your life through the joy of books. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.